completely extinguished by the sprinkler system. The fire on the left is still going unchecked. It's been about 35 to 45 seconds, so our rigs are probably en route from our 2 stations. So you can see how quickly the fire on the left is still spreading, and our fire trucks aren't even on scene. Once we arrive on scene, it'll take us a couple minutes, depending on how high this dormitory is. If this is a fire on the 6th or 7th or 8th floor, it'll take us a while to get up to that floor. This room will be completely incinerated before we can even get hose lines on the fire. So you can see how effective and how important sprinkler systems are.
Yeah, we need to have it.
The fire on the left-hand side is in what we call a free burning stage now. The room has flashed over. That means that all the material in the room has reached a temperature that it's all ignited at once. This room is completely uninhabitable, and there would be no one that would be able to survive in this room at this time. Go ahead. Our crews have reached the fire floor now, and we're going to go ahead and extinguish the fire.
Takes like 20 minutes to get here. It's horrible. We're all freezing outside in the rain. I'm not even joking. We're right by McDonald's. We're like halfway through it. We just probably
These props will be on display all throughout today and throughout the evening. We're going to be covering them with some fencing so nobody can get into them, but they'll be on display all day long so you guys can come up, take a look. But as soon as the smoke clears, it will be very obvious to you why we push campus housing here. We're not trying to take anything away from the private rental owners, but you can look at both sides. There's very little damage on the right-hand side. Most of the materials, or most of the personal property, can be gathered up and cleaned